The GGUU Smart Lock GGUU-1001 offers a seamless installation process that can be completed in just 15 minutes with straightforward instructions. This smart lock provides multiple unlocking options, including fingerprint, PIN, IC card, physical key, and Bluetooth app control, ensuring versatility and convenience. With ultra-fast fingerprint recognition, the lock identifies users in 0.2 seconds and supports over 100 fingerprints and PINs, making it perfect for busy households. Designed for durability, the Smart Lock is IPX53 waterproof, features a battery life of up to 8 months, and withstands force up to 2,000 newtons. To enhance security, the lock includes an auto-lock feature that activates after 5 incorrect attempts and allows customizable locking intervals via the app. Keep in mind that the lock does not come with batteries or door handles, so these must be procured separately for installation.